the world of military equipment is undergoing a major transformation. Advanced technologies are emerging in this sector, from robotics and artificial intelligence to new communication systems. Soldiers and researchers try to minimize human casualties and make military operations the most effective. In this video, we try to review with you the latest developments and equipment that will go viral in 2023. Military missiles are not a foreign word to our ears, because one of the largest military budgets in the world is dedicated to this sector. But what are the characteristics of the new generation of military missiles? Hypersonic missiles are weapons that move about 5 to 25 times the speed of sound. These missiles created a big change in the defensive and offensive operations of the world. Of course, the progress of these missiles has not stopped, and the military superpower countries have a special investment in this type of missiles. Their high speed reduces the reaction time for defense systems, which makes it much more difficult to destroy these types of missiles. In addition, these missiles can target very large distances in a short period of time. Many countries invest in these missiles. For example, Russia has the Avangard missile, which can reach an incredible speed of Mach 27. This number is really very high. In other words, more than 34,000 kilometers per hour. To know the magnitude of this number, it is better to know that the speed of a commercial jet plane is 800 km per hour, which means that a hypersonic missile is 24 times faster than a commercial jet. It is interesting to know that the F-35, the American air fighter, can reach a maximum speed of Mach 1.7. In another video, we fully compare the hypersonic missiles of different countries. You may have heard that you can remotely control your home appliances using internet technology. Maybe even now you have devices in your home that you control remotely. If your answer is yes, you are using the IoT. Internet of Things, or IoT for short, means a set of objects and equipment that communicate with each other by connecting to a network without being next to the electrical or electronic device. You can control it remotely. What does this have to do with military equipment? Do you remember Mohsen, Fakhrizadeh? The assassination of this person took place without physical intervention or the presence of the terrorist in the crime scene. Later, a video released by agents affiliated with the Mossad revealed that the assassination was carried out using a remote control weapon. This case is an example of the use of Internet of Things in military affairs. This includes a wide range of military equipment. Almost any weapon that can be remotely controlled can be considered one of these weapons. But some equipment, such as drones, due to the wide variety and use in other areas, they are checked separately. Of course, don't think that IoT directly is only used for offensive or defensive purposes. One of the applications of IoT is that it is placed inside military equipment as a sensor and can lower maintenance and health costs, in the sense that less manpower is involved. In addition, the accuracy and efficiency of this equipment is much higher than human power. This item is used in the Abrams tank and the F-35 Lightning II, both of which are made in the United States. The next item is tactical computing devices. This case is also indirectly related to IoT technology. Suppose country X plans to attack country Y during a physical conflict because country X uses tactical computing devices. It can instantly find the weak points of the enemy by using this advanced technology. Minimum waste of time. Do extensive planning to win the war. This technology, about which very little information has been leaked, has allocated a significant part of the US military budget to itself. Of course, other countries such as Israel and Russia have extensive research in this field, but due to secrecy, there is no extensive information in this field. You have probably seen the Spot robot videos on various social networks. This robot is also used in military departments due to its unique features. This robot can be controlled remotely, and due to its four-legged design, it can move easily in hard-to-reach places. This robot can collect various information from different places and can even move ammunition. This robot has the ability to map enemy positions in a topographical manner, which makes military operations to be carried out accurately and quickly. The next robot is called BotPack, a multi-purpose robot that can be used for search, rescue, military operations, and surveillance. According to the United States, this robot can operate in all weather conditions, can easily climb stairs, pass through impassable obstacles, and it can even repair military equipment under special conditions. Or, for example, TARDEC, which is the Research and Development Center for Tanks made by the United States, has made a robot that looks like a tank, which is smaller than battle tanks. The main job of this robot is to carry heavy equipment and transfer ammunition. Russia also uses advanced military equipment and robotics for various military operations. The Uran 9 robot is one of the most famous Russian military robots. This automatic and unmanned tank is equipped with anti-tank missiles, a 7.62 mm machine gun, and a 30 mm automatic cannon, designed with a range of nearly 2 miles. Of course, in 2018, news and documents were leaked from the Ministry of Defense of Russia, in which it was said that the expectations from the robot were higher than what was expected in the real battle. In recent years, and especially the past year, there were various AI formations due to the release of ChatGPT go viral. But the military superpowers of the world do not sit idle and naturally. The use of this great capacity has a special place in their plans. Researchers predict that the interaction of AI and military equipment will create a new era in wars. Artificial intelligence will have various applications in military equipment. AI systems can process a very large amount of information in a very short time. In addition, the high accuracy of these models, compared to humans, causes very little error. As a result, a country that makes optimal use of this system will win future wars. The Maven project is one of the examples of the use of AI in military affairs. This project officially started in 2017, but since last year, with the intensification of AI development, its activity has become more serious. This project is strictly focused on image data and motion videos of objects. The data obtained from drones and ground robots are provided to Maven to be analyzed. This project can accurately analyze and identify the objects in the images and provide this information in a simple way to decision makers and military commanders. In addition, Maven can express his opinion according to the data. This work makes people use the results of the data instead of analyzing the existing data, and the speed and accuracy increase simultaneously. With all the advantages that technology can have in military weapons, if a mistake is made, thousands of people's lives will be endangered. These technologies are generally controlled and have an emergency stop system, so that if a mistake occurs in their operation will be stopped very soon before anything happens. Now you say, do you agree with the integration of technology and military equipment?